What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Stay by Post Malone. Once you get done with the video, check the links in the description below. I've left a lot of really useful stuff there for you guys. My personal email address is there, along with links to my personal music if you guys want to check that out. I've also left a lot of other cool links, just stuff that you guys can look at for beginning guitarists to help sharpen your skills a little bit further. That's all in the description down there. My Patreon link will be down there as well when that gets up and running. Until then, let's jump into the video. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so your first chord is going to be your index finger on your low E on your first fret, and then the rest of your fingers are going to make an A minor chord. So that's going to be your middle finger on your first string, or on your B string on your first fret. Then it's going to be your ring finger on your second fret on your D string, and then your pinky finger on your second fret on your G string. Then your second chord is going to be your ring finger on your third fret on your G string, your pinky finger on your third fret on your A string, and then your middle finger on your third fret on your D string. It should sound a little bit like this. Now your next chord, all you're going to do is just take off both your ring finger and your pinky finger, and then add that index finger back to that first fret on your B string. And then kind of mute your low E with your thumb if you can. And now that little run that he plays, pretty simple. It's just 3 on your low E string, open on your A string, first fret on your A string, second fret on your D string, open on your D string, third fret on your A string, and then you just go into an F chord right after that, which you'll leave your middle finger there, pinky finger on your third fret on your D string, bar the entire first chord with your index finger, and then put your middle finger on your second fret on your G string right there. So again, that looks like this. A little slower. Now once you hit that F chord, you just can't continue to play through it. And then you're going back to this chord here. So once you go back to that chord there, then you go back to your 2-finger chord here. You do your run again. That plays through a couple times, and then right before you go into the chorus, once you'll hit that F chord again after that little run, when he said, "Put you out of your misery," you're gonna take your middle finger off to turn your F major into an F minor, and it's on out is when that changes. So it'll be put you out of your misery, and then right on re is when you go into the chorus. So the way that entire verse looks like, it's gonna look like this. Alright, now the chorus is, the first chord of the chorus is that same chord that has your ring finger on your third fret, pinky finger on your second fret of the, or pinky finger on the third fret as well of your E and A string, and then your middle finger on your second fret on your D string. That's the same chord that was in the verse. That's the first chord of your chorus. The second chord of your chorus is the same chord that's after that chord in the verse. Your 2-finger chord there. Then your third chord in the chorus is going to be this variation of a D here. So you have your middle finger on your second fret, middle finger on your second fret of your G string. Index finger is going to stay where it is already on the first fret of your B string. And then your ring finger is going to be on your second fret of your littlest, your tiniest string, your high E string. That sounds like this. And go ahead and mute that low E string up top with your thumb right there as well. And then your final chord is going to go back to your F. And then the same way at the end of the chorus, he hits that F minor again on Don't Count on Count. Count on me to stay. So the way your chorus looks is like this. Then back into your verse. There you have it, guys. I would say this is a little bit more of an intermediate style song. So if it's a little bit frustrating, just keep practicing. I know that some of these chords can be a little bit difficult. Just keep at it. You'll get it down in no time. If the video helped you, please consider subscribing. Consider liking the video as well. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, just leave those in the comment section below, along with any other songs that you guys might want me to teach you on the guitar. My Patreon link will be up shortly. Once it is, that'll be in the link down below. Until then, we'll see you guys in the next video.